teachers.
Okay, what are you gonna read?
Brown bear, what do you see? Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a...
What is it? You can peek. Go ahead.
Start over.
Okay. You don't want to discontinue?
Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me.
Ooh.
Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me.
Good job.
Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear. We see a red bird. We see a yellow duck. We see a blue horse. We see a green frog. We see a purple cat. We see a white dog. We see a black sheep. And we see orange goldfish. And we see a teacher looking at us.
What do you want to say to all your teachers?
Goodbye.
We miss you.
We miss you. Can we start reading it?
Yeah, you can.